Yes guys, so right now I'm at Eglinton West. I'm here to check out this place, Kingston 12. Yeah man, I'll show you how they make the patty and tell you how it tastes.
And it's 1808 Eglinton Avenue West, Kingston 12 Patty Shop.
And I'm here with one of the owner of Kingston 12, Cecil.
Yeah man.
Oh, I go on.
Yeah, we're there, you know.
And how you get this name, Kingston 12?
Well, I come from Kingston,
Yes.
12 in Jamaica, Jonestown.
Okay.
You know, Septimus Street, Jellicoe Street, all of them street there. Yeah, so I figure that is a good name. And I mentioned the name to my other partner and they love it. So we just continue with it, you know.
Kingston 12.
Kingston 12.
And
yeah.
it's very unique to know that, you know, say, alright, there's a patty shop. What's it named? Kingston 12.
Yes.
This bring you back a yard, you know.
Yeah
you
man,
remind me
yeah
of
man, the
yard,
roads,
Jamaica.
you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So right here now, what you're making the dough for the patty?
Yeah, I pack the dough.
Yeah.
It's like they give it body, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so pack it, stack it up this up for now, and then we're gonna run it through the sheeter.
Oh.
Yeah, get it more thinner, more like sheet, you know, like.
Yes.
Right now we're making ackee patty right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's ackee and sawfish there.
Okay. It's ackee and sawfish.
Yes. This is the best dough around town.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Nice.
The way you mix it and you know.
Yeah.
So it becomes different from most people one.
Okay.
Do a bubble up and all them thing there.
Yeah.
So quick it.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. And that is it. Ready for the garment one. Yeah, so after everything you see me, you see the process I'm going to go through just now.
Yeah.
And it becomes like that.
Yeah.
So now it's time to make patty.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what he's doing right here now. Yeah.
And this is the ackee patty.
Yes.
Nice. So 1 scoop of that for one patty.
Yes.
Okay.
Business.
Okay. Oh. So why you put the red dot on it though?
Yeah, just to indicate that it's ackee patty.
It's ackee patty.
Yeah, because we have different mark for different
Okay.
patty. Yeah.
See? Nice. Look at that. Really nice. So you're gonna put it in the tray now and then
We fill the rock.
you fill the rock.
We fill the rock before we put it in the freezer for a day, a night or so, kind of get it together, and then it's baked. If we don't have none in the freezer,
Right.
when we make it, we can just bake it right away too.
Okay.
But it's better to put it in the freezer so it's set. So
Okay.
it's nicer and crispier, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, so it's a process to it.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so as you can see, right now we're at Kingston 12 and we'll get the full inside of how you make the patty. So what inspired you to just open up a patty shop?
Well, I work at a patty shop for 22 years, and I figure that is a good thing for me. Well, the patty shop where I was working, you know, says Randy's.
Okay.
Yeah, and for 22 years was one of the biggest, as them call it, icon spot at Eglinton and Oakwood. And And I decided, say, well, me and two more brethren gonna do something, and this is it. You know?
Right.
Yeah. Takes
man.
a little while, but eventually work out good.
Yeah, because knowing Randy shop is an icon in the industry, and you know a lot of people know about Randy shop, and if you're coming from there and you open up your own party shop, so you know what kind of party you get in.
Exactly,
It's nothing but the best, and as you can see, guys, right here, so it's not just the name alone where you say yes, a yard, but when you see the party
and taste, very good, very good.
And then what kind of party you guys have?
Well, we make chicken, beef, vegetable, ackee and saltfish, beef and cheese, veg and cheese. Yeah, man, all of them things there.
All right. Yes.
Come to Kingston 12 and you will have all of those things. Nice, bacon, crispy.
And what time you guys open?
We open from 11 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Monday to Saturday.
Okay, Monday to Saturday.
Yeah.
And you close on Sunday.
On Sunday, yeah, close on Sunday.
All right, so right here you're making what, the beef patty?
Yes.
Oh. Nice.
Same process.
The same process as the ackee patty, right?
Yes. Yeah. All the same thing. Except cheese is a little different, but yeah.
Okay. So guys. So, how much patty you make a day?
I make 60 patty yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, because this rock here is 23.
It's 23.
Yeah, and 18 on each tray.
Okay.
So figure that out.
Okay.
Over some 100 and now, you know?
Yeah. So you make a lot of patty. You go through a lot a day.
A daytime, yeah.
Okay.
And sometimes it's all gone. Most of the time it's all gone.
It's gone, eh?
That's it done, yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's going good so far.
So you do like delivery to like stores and stuff like that?
Yeah, we do. When them make up order and things like that, we do.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this morning we have a 30 dozen frozen to deliver this morning.
Okay. So you do you do like catering, like say for instance if anyone have their like their weddings or stuff like that and they need a cocktail?
Yes, definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we do
nice.
cocktail, any vegetable, ackee, anything you want.
We'll get it.
We'll get it for you, yeah. Big up my two other partner, George and Gordon. Alright, enough respect.
Alright. So yes guys, as we were saying, right now we're just bringing you to Kingston 12 to show you how they make the patty. So it's not just taste and tell you how it tastes, we're just showing you how they make the patty at Kingston 12. So like with these patty now, how long it take to bake?
Half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah, 25 minutes to half an hour.
Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, when they finish bake, this is what it look like. Nice and crispy, you know? Yeah. Chicken.
Yeah. Veg and cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Veg.
Nice. Alright guys, so yeah, so you see when the patty finish bake, that's what it look like inside, and this is the beef patty right here. Nice and crispy. Alright guys, so you know, so once we're in at the patty shop and I watch how they make it, you know, I have to try it. Yes guys, this is the beef patty. Nice. Flavored. Real nice guys. Chef, patty badman. Nice. Real nice guys. And see, when you eat patty you can eat one. No man, and then the crust. Right now, I get a dozen to carry home with me. Because trust me, this patty, you can eat one. The flavor is good. The crust, nice. As you can see how they make the crust. I would say A1. Tastes real good. When I eat this patty, in a Miss Jamaica, bring it back a yard, Kingston 12. As you can see right here, guys, see? This is no joke. As you can see, guys, no joke, the patty really nice, really good. I can't eat one, so I have to take a dozen with me. So, you know, it's the real deal. Alright, as I was saying, Kingston 12. See it there. Kingston 12.
Yeah.
Patty shop.
Yeah. Enough respect, man.
Respect a million, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And big up Kelvin and friends cook up. Saying, want to go over there and support him, alright? Bless up. One love.
Yes, guys, as you can see, a dozen patties. So right now, Kingston 12, Eglinton West.
Give me something good.